Look at her food. This is the food we're gonna give Cassandra right now. She's gonna have banana with beef and blueberry. All right. Hey, baby girl, you're gonna have banana blueberry? It's been a while. I bought it for her. I bought my mom. I like this. This is not so red. Oh, this one is good. Okay, eat please. All right, you heard that, Yasa? Eat please. Le pusiste todo, su cosita que sale tan linda. Es que es aquí, pues, aleluya. No sé si ya yo había puesto ese, pero. Where?
No, that's the first time you ever recorded this.
No, I'm talking about that thing, this one, that close. Que yo solo la puesto, pero yo no sé cuál, pues son muchos. All right, let me be in my size. So I can feel it. Come on, baby girl. Are we gonna eat? Blueberry. Wow, I have blueberry and banana. Ooh. All right. Yeah, we give her some of this. Come on. All right, come on. You drink a little bit of this, okay? Good girl. Yeah, she got to drink her milk. Está calientica su leche. All right. Vamos a dejarla aquí mismo que se quede caliente. All right. Es que estos trapos, we could clean her mouth. Good girl. Let's clean your mouth. No, we're not going to clean your mouth, nothing. You're going to eat now. Let's go eat blueberry. Blueberry. Appa. Okay. Come on. Blueberry. No. Oh, boy. She's going to get some dang gas. That's the problem. All right. Yeah. Oh, boy. Hold on. Ya comenzó con esos jodidos gases. Rica. Ahorita sí está enfermo. All right. Maldita vaina. Come on, no more gas. You gotta have blueberry. Blueberry. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh boy, that's gonna piss me off. I know, I'm not gonna let that happen. Come on.
She's too, I can't.
Stop. Come on. Blueberry. I'm gonna let that shit piss me off. Sorry, God. Blueberry, blueberry. You gotta stop those gases, girl. Ay, coño. Espérate. Ya. Good girl. Blueberry, ya.
I cannot recall like that.
Ah, well.
She's all the way that way. Come on.
I'm trying to get those dang gases. Hold on, Jason. Hold on.
Con the side of her face on it.
You heard that? Put it in pause
Yeah.
while I fix them.
That's good. Let her do that. She's not doing
Yeah,
that.
really.
She talk.
Ese maldito. ¿Por qué está tan bajita ya? Si yo dije como que ya está
Well,
bajita.
you know the diaper covers the speaker. The diapers.
No, yo solo puse bajito. Uy, yeah, yo lo bajé los pampes.
Diapers cover.
Blueberry, blueberry. Blueberry, blueberry. Me cae todo como que me da una rabia. What happened? It's dark in here? Y ahí dice mama en vez de comer. What happened? ¿Qué quiere decir esa mierda, Mierda. Come on. Tengo que pagarla. Lo que quiere hacer la vaina esa, tú sabes. Y ta. That's what she wanted to do. Ya. Pone coño insoportable esta muñeca. Come on, baby girl. Let's quit the crap. We're gonna do something now. That thing's stupid. Yeah, you still tripping just? Come on, drink your milk. Se quita la locura, sin cura. Alright. Yeah, is that nice? Yeah. Drink a little bit of milk, se quita la locura. Cuando le doy leche se le quita la locura. Ahorita, vete. Alright. Ah. La maldita sangre. I don't understand why. Come on. That's the gas, baby girl. That's enough. Oh boy. I'll drink some milk, see what happens. Oh my lord, that's just freaking annoying. Damn gases. Mamá, ¿dónde vamos? Ya ni siquiera te pregunto dónde vas porque. Oh my lord, esos gases son coño insoportables. Reprenden en el nombre de Jesús. Esos gases. Yeah, okay. Come on, baby girl. Come on, you're gonna eat your dinner. You're gonna eat. Oh lord. Come on, I'm gonna pay no mind to that thing. It's gonna piss me off. Mmm. Blueberry. Coño, pero qué vaina, Dios mío. No. Blueberry. Oh. Look at that boy. Ah, clean your mouth. Freaking gases are real pain in the ass. No sé si que ya te toquea con los gases. Come on and drink your milk. I want to get rid of those dang gases. Mmm. No, no creo que se mojó.
No, I don't think so.
Uy, óyela,
You touch her chair, that's
por aquí, sí. Come on, baby girl, that's freaking annoying, those freaking gases. No, she's not way. You're right.
You touch her chair, that's why.
Ok, yo le pongo eso bien puesto, ¿no? Tú sabes no mojar, voy a poner esto. Another one nice and clean. Mírala. Va a poner 6 ya, ¿sabes?
Me ponen 8 ahora.
Coño! No more gas. I'm gonna break your face. I know I'm gonna kill the gas and not you, girl. Yeah, baby girl. You're making me mad. You make me mad, not you. Your gases make me mad. I love you. I hate those gases. ¿Qué es ahora?
I think she's still eating.
Qué loca. Alright. Mira a Lolita buscando como si no tuviera, como si tuviera hambre. ¿Qué es lo que le pasa? Lolita, ¿qué es lo que tú buscas? Blueberry, ni siquiera dice blueberry. Blueberry. I'm gonna give you this. Yeah, put like this. Blueberry. Not even saying anything. You're being a pain. Cómete ahorita, blueberry. You like it, blueberry. Blueberry, little pain. Oh, malo.
Here.
Okay. Right. Cómete. Finally, yeah, blueberry. Ese,
Tiene ese gato, dice.
God. Isn't it about time, girl? Like a psycho. Look at her. She look like she's bleeding. Are you bleeding? Look at you. Oh my Lord. Look at her. Ni siquiera dice no more. Coño, I'm waiting for that. Mira. Lolita sucking that thing out of the blueberry out of that cup. Oh my Lord, Lolita ate the whole thing. Wow, blueberry. Okay, chini cheese.
Wow, she says cheese.
Yeah, they say cheese. Eso lo dice más que otra cosa.
You know they actually give it cheese, right?
¿Ah? No, ¿y cómo le puedo dar cheese? ¿Con qué? ¿Con qué diente?
Say it.
¿Y con qué diente? Tiene que ser en compota. No los gases, coño. Tienen cojones. All right.
You're not enjoying the video.
¿Ah?
You're not having much of a video.
No, parece que me encojonan los gases, me prenden la sangre, que ni siquiera dicen, no, no, thank you, tú no te das cuenta que no dicen ni eso.
Yeah.
Porque esos gases lo dañan todo. Oye, ¿sí va a mí? Yo no estoy bravo. Yo no lo voy a hacer, yo no voy a dejar que eso me dañe mi cosa. ¿Por dónde vamos a eso?
11.
Come on, baby girl, drink it, man.
Drinking, she drinking.
Oh, my Lord.
Making a hell of a mess.
¿Eso qué? Lo que importa es que no tenga ese maldito gas, que no lo soporte. I'm not, the other guy was mad, but I don't give a shit about now. I'm not going to pay no mind to that.
Well, last time we did a video, remember? She was good.
Yo lo borré porque yo dije
No,
muchas cosas
after that we did a video, remember?
Sí,
It was a good video.
yo dije muchas cosas feas, por eso yo no lo puse. No se ve bien que yo diga toda esa vaina. Papa, come on. Let's take the gas, maybe. Maybe we're not taking the gas out of there. Papa. Don't be laughing. You're going to take those dang gases out. No, poo. We're taking the gases out. Poo. No poo. Yeah, we're going to take the gases. Creo que es un relajo la cabroncita esta. You think I'm playing with her? I don't know what she's thinking. Papi. Si no está raro, pa. Esta cosa tan roja. I don't enjoy giving her baby food when she got gas like that, because she didn't even got to say no more. You want a little more? Come on. Another gas came out of her. Tanto gas, Dios mío. In your mouth. Esos gases, coño, tienen harta bien. Yeah. Lo dañan todos sus gases. Yeah, I don't blame you. All those dang gases, you're just making me annoying. You want it like that for 1 minute? See if you could come down, a little pain.
Oh, we're in 14 already.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
But you know, that's a minute. I got a whole minute.
Ah, ya se va a acabar ya. Esta vez también. Dice así que
So allow her to lay her
es
down.
ok. Ya se bien. Ahí está, bobo. Yeah.
I know when you don't feed her, she don't burp. When you start feeding her, she has to burp.
Yeah, esa no es. Como de precisamente. Bicho, acá está la camiseta. Oh, yes, wait.
I recorded that too, man.
Yeah, but I want her to finish with them. Óyela.
You got your feet, that's why.
Yeah, I know. Y está loca. You crazy gas. Psycho girl.
it's not saying
Bad girl. She's a bad girl. She don't stop gassing. Bad baby. What a bad baby I got. You gotta stop being so damn gassy. That makes me mad. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Subscribe with my stupid gas. Where?